Hi guys, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. Today, I'm gonna show you how to trade predictions on Pancakeswap. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat, which is built on the MEXC chain. The contract address will be in the description. Thank you. Let's dive in, guys. So to trade prediction on Pancakeswap, you'll need a Web3 wallet, any Web3 wallet of your choice, and I will be using OKX for the purpose of this video. So you open your OKX and fund it with some BNB. This is my OKX wallet right here. So once you funded your OKX with some BNB, you then tap explore at the bottom of your screen. And then you scroll downwards and tap Pancakeswap, which is right here. If Pancakeswap isn't here in whatever wallet you're using, you just manually type in pancakeswap.finance. Okay, so let's click go to Pancakeswap. So guys, once you're here at the bottom of your screen, you could see trade, stocks, portfolio, perps, and earn, and prediction. Okay, so let's click prediction. Let's click it right here. Okay, once you've clicked prediction, the next step is to connect wallet. Let's connect. Let's click OKX wallet. Let's click EVM. But guys, first things first, what exactly are you predicting? Pancakeswap gives you 3 markets to choose from. You have BNB, Bitcoin, or Ethereum. And you're guessing if their price against the US dollar will go up or down. So no matter which market you choose, you will always use BNB as your asset to enter the trade, okay? You can switch between those markets by just tapping the market you wish to trade, okay? So if you're predicting BNB, you just tap BNB right here. If you are predicting Ethereum, tap Ethereum. If you're predicting Bitcoin, you just tap Bitcoin. You could see the 3 markets at the top of your screen. Guys, understand that predictions run in 5-minute rounds. Before you do anything, look at the top left corner to check the timer, okay? It currently reads 3.59 seconds, as you need to enter your trade before the next round goes live. Make sure there's plenty of time left on the clock, ideally more than a minute, okay? So your blockchain transaction has enough time to confirm. Now for the fun part. You'll see 2 main choices at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a green enter up button if you think the price will go up, and a red enter down button if you think it will drop, okay? You'll also notice multiplier numbers on these buttons, okay? You could see up, it says 1.0 XP out. So this change based on how much money is in the total price pool. This means the multiplier shows how much your BNB will multiply if you win, okay? So let's say you click the enter up. Let's click it, enter up. So you just type in the amount you want to play by using the percentage button or slider. So you just input the amount right here. Let's say you wish to commit to BNB. So once you input that amount, you just click confirm and approve the transaction in your crypto wallet. You'll notice I don't have funds in this wallet right now, so I won't be able to execute any trade, but the process is exactly the same. So once it goes through, you'll see an entered message, okay? And you are in. So once the round starts, it goes live for exactly 5 minutes. You can sit back and watch the price update in real time. Just know that once your prediction is locked in, you cannot change your mind or cancel the trade while the round is still live. So when the 5 minutes are up, the status briefly changes to calculating, and it marks itself as expired. If you guessed correctly, a collect winning button will appear right next to this trophy right here, okay? This trophy icon. You just click it, confirm it in your wallet, and your BNB winnings go straight back to you. And that's basically it on how to trade predictions on Pancakeswap, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope the video was helpful. Feel free to drop your questions or comment in the comment section. And don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button for more educative content. Bye. See you in the next video.